Hi, okay, so if you're coming out on site with me with the drone, this is the Maverick 2. This is the one we've been using to start with. This has got infrared on it, videos, etc. Okay, so don't forget your PPE before you start on site. Where are you going to be? Think about that. That's a different video. Have a conversation if you need it. So all we need to really do is make sure that before we even pick this up and take it out, you need to make sure everything's charged. It's the most important thing because you can't go to site and then find that nothing works. So there's no batteries as such to put in it, it's all about charging. So here is the plugs and lots of wires, right? It's quite simple though, because this goes in here and then this USB goes in here, okay? And that is everything you need. So what happens is plug goes in, I'll put the plug over there, plugged in, okay? This thing here is for the actual drone itself. So the drone itself, if you gently pull these out, squeeze that. Oh, before you do, turn it on to see how much it's charged, okay? And then, there we go. So you see it's only got one. One means it's only 25% charged, okay? So you press again to turn it off. Right, and then you can charge this. Okay, see there, that's the port that goes in, okay? Once that's fully charged, excellent, you're ready to go with the drone. That's only one bit of kit that we need to worry about. Okay, don't forget the gimbal as well, very important to protect the camera because it flops about a bit. Okay, that's the drone charged, lovely. We've got the phone. Now here is the USB, that's that flingy cable, so that's the USB for the phone. Make sure that's charged up. That's the app which you need legally so that you can see if there's other drones. You've got the, what it's called now, the drone app on it. Yeah, there's another video showing what it's called. And then this is our handheld device. So again, see this piece here, you can turn it on, saying it's 83%. So that is on the side of here, you can just pull this out. Okay, and that goes in. See, this is where the handheld plugs into your phone there, and that's that little connector cable up there. So you take that out and that's where this goes, so that then charges. Once it's charged, take it out. Don't forget to put that back in so that when you put your phone on it connects properly to here, okay? So you can see everything clearly and it's all connecting. Okay, I think that's it. It's just making sure those three devices. So as you can see, there's this little piece for the handheld, there's this little piece for the actual drone itself, and there's this piece for the phone. As long as you've got those three cables with this plug, you can charge those three devices ready to go before you leave. Don't forget as well to make sure it's got the manual in there. And if you are flying at night, it's already got the beacon on it. But if you do need anything else, you might want to make sure you've got, maybe if you're at night and you're looking at videoing stuff, make sure you've got your lights on there. If you need some sort of sound, if you're doing an event, etc., then make sure that's on there. That's it. Okay, so just make sure everything's charged and make sure everything's nice and safely tucked away before you close it down. Again, gentle with the cables, just curve them, and then yeah, make sure the phone's flat and padded across the padded part, and then that comes down and that clips in place, ready to go.